Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be making Christmas ornaments. We're going to be making fillable ones. One we're going to fill with glitter, and the other one we can fill it with anything. You can fill it with tinsel, you can fill them with tulle. This one has glitter stars on it. I have also some faux snow. It's like little pieces of plastic or feathers, or even pearls, crystals, whatever you feel like. And you're also going to need some ribbons to decorate your baubles or ornaments once you are done. And we're also going to personalize them with Teckwrap's vinyl. Okay, let me clear up the space and start this project. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is work on the one that we're going to put glitter on so that it can dry a little bit. Not dry, but become a little bit tacky. So what we're going to use is any glue that you have, any water-based glue, and some water to water it down. So usually you can do this also with polyurethane. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use some Mod Podge and some water. Okay, so let me just pour some of this here. And just a few drops of water. So we're watering it down so that it can easily glide once we put it inside. Okay, once that's done, grab your ornament and pour it inside. And now just make sure it coats all of the inside of your ornament this way. If it doesn't coat every part, just give it help with any brush you have or any tool that you can just reach inside with. Okay? Now we're just going to let it drip for a few moments in this cup while we work on something else. All right, so I've already created a design in Design Space. Let me just walk you through the steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is always put a base or a template of how or what the size of the diameter of your ornament is. This way you can have it as a template and you can see where your design is going to be placed. So I already sized it according to my ornaments. So these, we're going to delete them because we don't need them in the design. And if you want to know the fonts for these, the font for the letter N was called Vogue, and for the name Noura it was called Farmhouse. And this is a ready-made design in Cricut Design Space. I'll keep the number of it below. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete the circles. And I'm also going to make everything in one color because I'm going to cut everything in one mat. And there we go. Now click on Make It. If you're on your iPad, always make sure you choose your machine first. We're going to be cutting on the Cricut Joy. So now click on Make It. I'm going to be cutting on a mat. Confirm. So now I'm going to place my vinyl onto the mat according to where each design is. So let me just put this a bit down. I think those two will be the same color, which is the gold. So I'm going to keep these here. And the vinyls, you guys, are from the Christmas pack from Teckwrap. Now let me just put this. And also, if you're going to use all the vinyls in one mat, make sure they're all the same type of material. So don't cut glitter and a normal vinyl because the settings are obviously different. So I'm using vinyls that are almost the same in settings. So I'm just going to put this here, and then this is going to be red. So I have a tiny red here, and the green I'm gonna put it between the 2 and the 3, so right here. This way. And then for the N, let's place it over here. So that's going to be right here. All right. Okay, I'm also going to use my brayer tool so that I can make sure these vinyls are adhered good on the mat. Okay, and for me, I'm going to choose premium vinyl. And now let's load the mat. Okay, so let's weed our design. Okay, so let's start with placing our vinyl. Let's get, this is just some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to wipe off my ornament just in case there's any dust or debris on it or any oils from your fingers. Okay, and let me give the other one a wipe as well. And let's get our transfer tape. Okay, and scrape it real well. And peel off. Okay, and in anything round, always try to get the center down first. And then just gently guide the rest of it. See, I'm going to make a slit here to give this a little bit of wiggle room so that it doesn't bunch up, and just press down. Okay, and then give it a press. Now let's go to the name. And do the same. Okay, and we're going to put this across in the middle and gently lay it down. So now that it had dried a little bit, see, it's becoming clear, it's a bit tacky. So what we're going to do is pour the glitter inside. And we just coat it. Of course, once this glue dries completely, it's going to dry clear, because as you can see right now, it's a bit milky in color, but it will dry clear. Okay, and keep swirling it around until you get everything coated. I'm just a little bit nervous working with glitter because, you know, you work with glitter and then you find it everywhere for the next year in your house. I'm just going to put some tissue here and go all crazy. Yep, this saves us time. And I will not put back this glitter with my in my glitter bottle because I think it's a bit tacky right now, so it's just going to spoil the rest of your glitter. You can store it probably for another project, but don't mix it with your clean glitter. Now I'm going to let this dry a bit and then place the vinyl. Scrape it from both sides. And then peel. So now for this ornament, you're going to let it dry overnight, and once it's dry, you close it up and it's ready to be used. So now is the fun part where you get to decide what to fill your ornaments with. So like I showed you earlier, you can fill it with tinsels, or you can buy those full petals with any color, and you can just do the same. Or crystals such as these. I'm going to fill mine with a little bit of faux snow. It's just like little iridescent plastic shreds. Let me show you closely. And I'm going to put a bit of these also iridescent snowflakes. And my tinsel. Okay, once I make sure it's secured properly, then give it a shake. And here you go. Okay, now you can adhere your bow. I'm going to adhere it with a glue gun. And your ornaments will be ready. And here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then please like and subscribe so you can stay updated with all things crafty. See you in the next one.